everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Bee. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer and also a makeup artist. Well, I am on vacation right now. I am in Bhubaneswar. I'm traveling to Puri and Bhubaneswar. I'm gonna see a lot of things. But as you know, when you're traveling, you cannot just bring all of your makeups. Yesterday, I did not have much time. I was in a lot of hurry and I have brought a bare minimum makeup. So I was thinking how to do makeup with this small quantity of makeup. So what I did a graphic eyeliner using just one shade of eyeshadow. And so it was so nice, and so I have decided today I'm going to show you how to do graphic eyeliner. Well, before starting the video, I want to tell you guys that please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Bee, and please hit the bell button to stay updated whenever I post something new. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to apologize to you for this camera angle and the light quality because it's practically sunlight and there is no camera stand here because I am traveling light. Since I'm traveling light, so I'm not carrying half of my makeup. So in this video, I'm not going to apply any foundation, but I'm going to start straight from concealer. But before applying concealer, to hold the concealer, I'm going to use a primer, which is Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now I'm going to apply the concealer, which is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Well, I'm not going to apply the concealer all over my face just like what I do with a makeup foundation, but just going to correct the errors of my face like wrinkles or dark circles or fine lines with this concealer. Now I'm blending this concealer using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply a fixer powder, which is Lakmé Rose Powder, and I'm going to apply it all over my face using this same beauty blender that I have used to blend this concealer. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my eyebrows using eyeshadow from the Maybelline New York Rock Nudes palette, and I'm going to take this angular brush from Miniso. First I'm taking this light brown color and then I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this black color and I'm going to apply it on the outer part of the eyebrows. In this way, this eyebrow will look quite natural because the inner corner has this light brown color, and if I apply this black color on the inner corner, then it could look quite unnatural. I'm going to draw this eyebrow now as well. I wouldn't have applied any eyeshadows on my eyes today if my eyes were normal, but since my eyes are hooded, so I'm just going to apply small amount of eyeshadow on my eyes to pop my eyes a bit. So I have taken this Maybelline New York Rock Nude palettes again because obviously I have mentioned that I'm traveling light and this is the only eyeshadow palette which I'm carrying. And I'm going to take this light brown color and I'm going to use it as the transition shade. Remember, before applying this eyeshadow, I have primed my entire face, including my eyelids, so that it holds the eyeshadow. Oh, by the way, I have used a fluffy brush, which is also a type of blending brush. Now I'm going to do it to my next eye. Now I'm going to apply this off-white color on my eyelid. This will make my eyes look less hooded and more bigger and more open. I'm going to do the same thing to my next eye. Now I'm going to do the graphic eyeliner, and for which I need only one eyeliner to do both upper and lower part of my eyes, which is Lakmé Absolute Shine Line Black Eyeliner. And please follow the steps which I'm following to do this graphic eyeliner. I'm taking the help of a mirror because I can't do it without a it. And one more thing, if you are not confident about applying a graphic eyeliner directly, then you can take a eyeliner or lip liner pencil which is a little light in color, and then you can draw this graphic eyeliner first, and then you can fill it with this black eyeliner. But I'm confident enough, so I'm going to do it. Okay, now I'm going to draw this eyeliner on the lower part of my eyes. Please notice carefully how I'm drawing it on the inner corner. Now to make my eyes look extra smoky, I'm going to apply some black eyeshadow on the lower part of my eyes from this palette, Maybelline New York, the Rock Nudes. Now I'm going to apply mascara, which is Maybelline the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Applying this on the lower lash line now. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face makeup, and I'm going to apply the bronzer, and for that I have taken Lakmé Absolute Sunkissed Bronzer. Well, I'm not carrying any contour with me, so I haven't contoured my face. I'm just directly going to contour my face using this bronzer. Now I'm going to apply the blusher, which is Sugar Cosmetics Contour De-Force Mini Blush, and the color is Salmon Superstar. And I'm gonna take a thick round brush to apply the blusher. Then I'm going to apply the highlighter, which is from Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and the color is Blossom Glow. I have taken a comparatively thinner round brush to apply the blusher on the high points of my face. Going to apply the lipstick, and which is lip liner plus lipstick. It is Lakmé Enriched Lip Crayon, and the color is, when you're traveling light, I would recommend you carry this kind of things, which is a lip liner and as well as a lipstick. Okay, so this is it guys, my makeup is done, and now I'm going to wear a really pretty dress and some jewelries, and I'm gonna do my hair a bit, and let me show you the final look. So there you go guys, this is my final look for today. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm also on Instagram. My handles are Veda Chat and The Real Queen V. The IDs of my Instagram links are given in the description box below, along with the name of all the products that I have used. And also I have a Facebook page with the same name as this YouTube channel, which is The Real Queen V. I'm going to rock this look right now, and I'm going to travel to a lot of places. So bye guys, see you next time.